It's Show of Show's Real Life. How you living life, love? How you living? So guys, your girl has put together an IPSY review. And I got a couple IPSY bags. I got a lot of IPSY bags, okay? And I have my January bag. Has my January bag come yet? No, my January bag hasn't come yet. And then I have one in February, and then that's it. And I'm going to, it was a gift for my girls, Mascara and Leah. Thank you. Love you guys. But it's going to be over. And so I think I'm going to re-up. Now I've heard there are some other subscriptions, makeup subscriptions, beauty subscriptions that you can get. But I'm telling you, with the things I have here, a little bit goes a long way. So I'll show you guys. Whoops. But I'm telling you, these are bomb. So bomb. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to film a little intro because I hadn't before. And and then I realized I hadn't filmed all of the products that I said I was. So here you go. And I hope you like the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs it up, and don't forget to share, and definitely leave me a comment below. Let me know how you like it. If you want me to do more reviews of more makeup subscriptions or whatever, I got a lot of different things coming to this channel. I will see you guys later. Let's get into the video. Good morning, guys. So I'm watching my videos, but of course I can't have this on because it's copyright music. So guys, I am going to unbox this IPSY package. I already opened it, but I haven't seen anything that's in it. And I've been wanting to show you guys my IPSY packages. I got this from my friends Mascara and Leah for my birthday, which is so amazing. And so I get these for 6 months. I think I only have like 1 or 2 months left. But yeah, January and then February, and then it'll be over. But it's so awesome. So what I really like is, you guys know I'm a makeup girl. Like, I'm a makeup girl. I'm a girly girl. It is what it is. You get one of these every month. You get to pick one product out of this, and then everything else is a surprise. And then they'll show you, like, before it comes, what everything is going to be in it. So you'll get to know, like, a sneak peek. I don't remember which one. Which one? I don't remember which product I chose, so it's kind of going to be a surprise, because by the time the stuff gets there, ladies, you'll be like, what? I don't remember anything that's in this. So anyway, I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. Boy. Ooh, okay, so one of the things that you get is a makeup bag every single time you get one. This is legit, oh my gosh, the cutest thing ever in life. It's kind of like a lamb, but like pink. So, okay. Okay. Huh. Alright, let's look and see what's inside. Let me just... Okay. What? Superhero. And this is Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Okay, now I'm caught up. Now I remember. Super volume, super length, super elastic stretch. Oh, you guys, I want to use this. Okay, this is the Professional Pore Primer. You guys, for some reason, I did not know that this was coming, and I just put primer on, and I used this Wet n Wild that I had. Man, dang it. Dang it! Because then I could, it's a little one, but literally, probably with this, a little goes a long way, I bet. So, yeah, I'm really excited to try that. Can y'all see that? It's very cool. It's like Christmas! Okay, what's this? Is it focusing? Is it focusing? Is it focusing? Do your skin a favor. Use me. Okay. So, is this skin lotion? Let's see. Apply a liberal amount onto body for hydrated skin. Okay. And that's by Grace and Bella. that's it for the unboxing. So my intention was not for me to be on the camera. I filmed that clip or those clips a little while back, but while I'm editing the video and trying to get it up on the channel, I'm looking at it and I'm like, oh my gosh, I never showed the Murad face wash, cleansing wash, or cleanser, vitamin C cleanser, which is what this is. I'll let you guys see. This is the Murad face cleanser. On my face, I decided, since I didn't add that in, that I would film an extra part. Sorry, my tummy's sticking out. That I would film an extra part for you guys to see. So, ta-da! I'm on camera. And so I'm gonna insert a clip of me talking, and I'll show you all of the things that were not seen, but for your viewing pleasure, I actually decided to go ahead and do my makeup, and I'm like, oh, let me do my makeup and let me let them see what these things look like used. So this is the Pore, I guess Pore Essential, no pore, whatever. But this is the primer that I showed you guys. You guys, this stuff is bomb. This stuff is bomb. And I will show you when I have the camera turned the other way. This stuff is bomb, okay? And this stuff is bomb. If you see my face, number one, look at my face. It is... My face is flawless, okay? Flawless. I can't vouch for my eyebrows because I did these in the dark while we were watching The Inside Man. Y'all forgot how good that movie is. But anyway, I digress. She's looking cute, but look at the flawlessness of the skin. Seriously? So what I did was I used the no pore essentials, whatever. I have it listed down below. This bomb, just look at my face. It's flawless. This is the hand cream that I mentioned, the lavender hand lotion. You guys, this stuff is bomb. Like, this stuff is bomb. This is my go-to now. This is what I use. This was not filmed, but this is the sugar, is it the sugar plum? I'll show you guys in a second, but this is what it looks like on, and it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. It's so pretty. But that's what it is. The consistency, it's gorgeous. I absolutely love this. It's one of my favorites, and it's matte. It is the matte as H. Because my mama gonna watch this, and I know she's not gonna like me to say the H word. I said it in the earlier clip. On my lashes is the Superhero mascara that I showed you earlier. That's how small it is, and I'll actually show you in a second. Here it is. This is what the wand looks like. I don't know how clear y'all can see that, but that's what the wand looks like. And it's this itty bitty tube, but you guys, oh my gosh. Now I did use a primer from my favorite store, Miss A. And so, but as you can see, my eyelashes look incredible. Like, wow. So this bomb hand cream, and see, I'll show you now. I'll show you right now. My hands are super dry, and this is, you just use a little bit. And my mom told me I need to get my nails done. She's like, you keep showing your hands on screen. I am. I'll have them done by hopefully tomorrow. Because you see, like, shimmer, but it just, oh, smells so good. So yeah, I love IPSY. If I had to make some decisions based on these samples that they send, I would totally get the hand cream. It's body lotion, so yeah, I would totally get that. I would totally get the mascara. Oh my gosh. I would totally get this. Like, yeah. And my face. Look how smooth my face looks, you guys. So I would totally get this. And this, my face was really like freaking out. Like my skin freaks out every, I don't know, 4 months. I can't use the same cleanser. This stuff, guys, like I was about to get proactive, and this stuff cleared my skin up. And outside of like, I have something here, basically, because, you know, ladies' days, when ladies' days go off, you're still dealing with your face. And then this, I didn't show you guys. This was in a previous bag, and I think it was maybe this one. This is another one of mine. You guys, the eyeliner that I have on is also, I don't know the brand though, but it's also from IPSY. I love it. And then this is the concealer that I have. I love it. I have setting powder. Oh my gosh, you guys. So what I'm saying is, if you're thinking about doing IPSY, go ahead and do it. That's what I'm saying, because it's bomb. And if you're thinking like, oh, should I do it? Should I not? Do it. I'm going to show you guys up close the products, and then I'm going to go. So I hope that you love this video. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah. So she looks cute. How you doing? And Happy New Year, you guys. Is this the first video I posted? No, I posted a vlog for the new year, but this is my first like IPSY review. So if you like it, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've used IPSY. If you've used IPSY, and it's a tongue twist. But let me know. And if you like it, and what your favorite products are. And yeah, let us also know. But I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on IPSY. Bye guys. Have a great night. It's nighttime over here. Yeah. Bye. Today I am just standing on God's word and trusting him to make all things right if I surrender to his will and his ways, and I know he will. So anyway, I love you guys. Oh, there's Beyonce again. Oh, who knows what this video is? Anyway, love you guys.